This is a little table I got on Amazon about 2 years ago now. This is the second year of having it. I stained it after I put it together, and it's starting to not... I don't know what happened with the stain, but we're going to restain it. First, I gotta tighten it all up. It's kind of wobbly. Got it sanded pretty good. This wood's kind of weird. I don't know what it is, but we'll blow it off. And then we're going to stain it with some Johnson's semi-transparent. This is leftover from another job, so I'm just going to try it out and see what happens. So I didn't show it, but I actually ended up burning the wood with a MAPP gas torch, and that's what pulled out the grain on it. I can do a video sometime if you guys want on how to do that. There it is. All done. Check out that wood grain now. Pretty cool.